Welcome to Hyperintelligence. Once your environment is ready, you will get a welcome email. Let's download Workstation, the one-stop MicroStrategy shop where you will create your first Hyperintelligence card. MicroStrategy Workstation is a powerful tool that lets you manage your environments and your users and groups. Confirm and finalize the installation to get the application up and running. Once the installation is complete, notice that you now have a brand new MicroStrategy icon in the main desktop menu. If you are on Windows, the MicroStrategy icon will be on the bottom taskbar. This is a centralized place for all your MicroStrategy tools, where you can install Hyperintelligence extensions, download Hypermobile, and turn on the Gateway agent for on-prem database connectivity. Open Workstation and see that the environment is automatically configured with the default OIDC authentication for a seamless experience. Now we can get to building a Hyperintelligence card. Hyperintelligence cards are MicroStrategy objects that inject insights into your daily workflows. Browse the available datasets to create a card, or check out the sample cards for inspiration. Watch our video on creating your first card to learn more. You can access data from local files, cloud data sources, or on-prem databases to bring KPIs and information and surface them in unique Hyperintelligence cards. Let's build a card for a retail company. Their buyers want quick, relevant information to help them know when inventory is low for well-performing items so they can reorder them before it goes out of stock. In the Dataset panel, you can see the available attributes indicated with green diamonds and your metrics indicated with orange rulers. Attributes are the business concepts reflected in your data, like region, year, or in this case, product. Metrics are MicroStrategy objects that represent business measures and key performance indicators, like revenue, or here, customer ratings. Let's add product as our keyword. This is the string that will trigger Hyperintelligence cards to appear in your daily workflows. Let's change the header since we want to display the relevant image. Watch our video on adding images to learn more. Customize what you want to display in the header and add any important links. Let's add a couple of rings to display some useful percentages. Next, let's build out a couple matrices for additional KPIs and a list widget for some key information. Add text boxes as section headers or as dynamic attributes. Lastly, add some finishing touches like matching colors to the corporate brand, changing number formatting, and adding some bolding. Save the card and certify it to make sure it's ready to be viewed. Watch our video on sharing cards with users to learn more. Let's get set up to check out our newly created card in action. To view the card in our browser, download Hyperweb for Chrome or Edge. Awesome! I can see my environment is already connected. Turn on the cards you want to see when keywords appear on your browser. Now let's download Hypermobile with this QR code. Finally, feel free to share your environment with others. This is helpful if you have a card that you need to collaborate on with your team. The users will get the same notification that you did in the beginning and start their Hyperintelligence journey. Build your own cards or view your colleagues' content on the go on your phone, in your inbox, or in your browser. Get started with a simple click of a button today.